Econito, Eric Talaska, doing an unboxing and very small review of Porter Cable Lithium Ion 6-tool set. This one purchased from Costco. If you don't have or want a membership from Costco, I provide a link below for the one in Amazon. 6 tools. One of the tools is just a flashlight. LED flashlight, on off, really simple, with an adjustment head that you use one of the batteries. I got the 2-battery kit. The drill has a lot of variable speeds, and plus slow and fast there, which is a little bit hard to, I immediately noticed that's not ergonomic right there. That kind of hurts to activate that. Circular saw looks good. Looks like about a light to medium duty one. And I had to get this because I'm putting in luxury vinyl tile in the bedrooms. And so I'm going to need this to cut the tiles, and I'm going to need the oscillating saw to cut underneath some of the woodwork on the floor. It only comes with one blade, a general use blade that's fairly small. So I guess I would call this light duty. I've never had one of those before. I don't even know what to do with this. Oh wait, that's just that's a saw. So it comes with one blade, looks like mostly for wood. Oh, bimetal. No, I was wrong. It's bimetal. I'm not sure what bimetal means. 2 different types of metal? Strange. Terminology. Impact wrench looks pretty good duty, medium to heavy duty. Oscillating tool. I've never had one of those before, and I think this goes probably with the oscillating tool, as well as these. Comes with several sandpaper pieces. Yep, so it's pretty much that simple. Fairly good carrying case that it will all fit in. 6 owner's manuals, 1 for each device. The drill is probably the most used item of all, so I'm going to zoom in close on the specifications of it. Come on, Samsung, you guys have all of your engineers. There we go. So everything here is made in China. We don't have much of a choice anymore. Circular saw seems to have rubber, some kind of hard rubber grip that's ergonomic. Everything seems to have a rubber grip on it that's pretty good ergonomics. I would say, pretty good ergonomic design, anti-slip, intelligent design. It all looks pretty smart to me. The drill does have a light that comes on when you turn it on, as well as the impact wrench. Oscillating saw has a light. So it looks like a really good kit. It's really smart to just pay extra to get everything all at once, with using the same battery, so you're not mixing and matching. Very good. I give them an A+ so far.